Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to get and use your OKX Rebate Card. Now, I believe there might be a slight misconception of what the OKX Rebate Card actually is. It is not like the Coinbase Visa card, which is a physical card that you can use just like any other to spend on daily expenses, for example. The OKX Rebate Card is only a card in name, but let me show you what it actually is. This is OKX homepage. We just simply have to hover here over at More and then go to My Rewards. And so right now, here is the rebate card. It says it will save on your trading costs. And that is exactly what it does. Because once we check on it, what it does is to reduce or completely remove your trading fees. You can find it in your rewards. That was the previous page we were at. How is it used? It will automatically apply and it will be refunded to your funding account within 48 hours, so you won't receive the rebate in real time. However, you can view the rebate applied in your asset history. So for example, I don't have a rebate card yet. We simply have to go and click on Explore Now right here on the rebate cards page, and it will give us tasks. It says here that I do not have tasks to complete right now, except for the welcome rewards and the campaigns. Now, as we know, the rebate card refunds trades, so that's simply what we have to do. We have to trade. Let's click on Welcome on Board, and as you can see here, you can earn up to $100 when you trade. This is an event that's expiring within 11 days from my recording, and we have to take note that it is a trade. Therefore, once we trade currency worth at least 50 USDT, then the rebate card will apply and we will be able to see it from the My Rewards tab over here. You would see it reflect here after at most 48 hours. It is similar to Bybit's reward system where you have a bunch of tasks that involves a lot of depositing and trading and verifying and all of that stuff. That is what the rebate card is. It is not a physical card like the Coinbase Visa card. Just to clear the confusion, as that was also my initial impression. Still, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.